Hi, I'm Scott Reed, Senior Vice President of Maintenance at Werner Enterprises.
And I'm Jaime Moss, Vice President of Safety and Compliance. Scott and I are here today to talk to you about Brake Safety Week, which runs from August 23rd through the 29th.
Checking brake system components is always part of the roadside inspection and pre-trip inspection process.
During Brake Safety Week, law enforcement officials will inspect commercial motor vehicles. Trucks and trailers found to have critical brake violations will be removed from the road and placed out of service.
The air brake system on a commercial motor vehicle is designed for a long life in harsh conditions. There are a lot of moving parts in an air brake system, and they all have to work together in order to bring a tractor trailer to a stop. All of those parts must be inspected every day and must have regular maintenance to function properly throughout the life of the vehicle. If an air brake system is out of adjustment or has parts that are worn or defective, it will reduce the braking efficiency and increase the stopping distance of a tractor trailer. That can create a serious risk for the driver and for other motorists on the road.
During Brake Safety Week, commercial vehicle inspectors will conduct inspections on trucks and trailers to find brake system defects, identify brakes that are out of adjustment, and spot anti-lock brake system violations.
If you're pulled in for an inspection during Brake Safety Week, inspectors will be looking for loose or missing brake system parts, cracked brake rotors, cracked brake drums, worn S-cam bushings, brake linings worn to less than 1/4 of an inch, friction material contaminated by oil or grease, and air reservoir tanks that are not securely mounted.
That's right, Scott. And those inspectors will also be looking for air leaks. Leaks in the brake hoses, in the brake tubing, the glad hands, brake chambers, and leaks at any of the dozens of fittings and connections all along the system. They'll also be looking for ABS malfunction indicator lamps that are illuminated, showing a problem, and ABS lamps that aren't working.
Properly functioning brake systems are crucial to safe vehicle operation. A thorough pre-trip inspection is the only way to ensure everything on the tractor trailer is safe and functioning properly, including the brakes. So don't take shortcuts and don't cut corners. A pre-trip inspection is something that needs to be done every day, all year long, not just for an enforcement event. Please check your truck, check your trailer, and address any small issues before they can become big problems. If you find an issue that needs to be addressed, just tell us here at the maintenance department and we'll get you fixed up.
There are a lot of parts and pieces to an air brake system. It can be a little overwhelming when you think of all the things that need to be inspected. And you may not be completely familiar with the new air disc brake systems. We can help. A copy of the pre-trip inspection guide can be found on the driver portal and also on the Drive Werner app. In addition, the safety department can offer hands-on training for pre-trip inspections. Whether you're new to the industry or you'd like to sharpen your skills, stop by any terminal and we'll get you set up. Remember, Brake Safety Week is August 23rd through the 29th. Stay safe out there, and thank you for all you do.